Well, hi, Jeff Barlett here. This is Guitar Techniques. So today I look a little weird, but what I have here is my harmonica with a harmonica holder. I have my guitar, and I have a guitar pick. So as you can see, there's no background on the green screen today because my guitar pick is also green. So I'm going to teach you a really cool guitar technique to really sound cool and impress your friends. So listen up. Let's start with an E chord. And what you want to do is strum the E chord. And you can do this with any chord, just make up your own pattern. And then take your guitar pick at the bottom of the guitar and just slap it down, okay? Kind of like this. All right? And then I want you to go to a D chord. Okay? So it's going to sound like this. So what I'm doing is I'm going E, slap, D, slap, E, slap, D, slap, E, slap, D, slap. So I'm using the guitar pick to slap the bottom of the guitar here, right? While I'm playing, you make up a rhythm. And it doesn't have to be E to D. It can be like, you know, G to D. You can use any chord to do this. But now, let's sound even cooler, okay? I'm going to add the harmonica in here. And you can make up your own rhythm, but I'm going to blow in and out on the one, kind of like this. Right, just in and out, and you know, you can make up your own rhythm like this. Let's listen to how it sounds together. Right? You can also add a capo if you want to even sound cooler. And I'm going to go from G to D this time. And maybe I'll blow somewhere in the middle of the harmonica. It doesn't matter where. I mean, make up your own rhythm. Be creative. So if you find that video interesting, please subscribe to my channel. Tell your friends about what I'm doing because I teach guitar techniques. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Please share. God bless.